These are the smallest and lightest wireless microphones currently out right now. These are the LARK M2s, and they're the latest wireless microphone from Hollyland. Full disclosure, Hollyland did send me out the LARK M2s for a review, but they're also not paying me, and they're also not seeing this video before I post it. If you guys are liking these videos, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I will have affiliate links to the LARK M2s and any products and gear I use for these videos in the description down below. They have 4 different kits of the M2. They have 2 smartphone kits, one for Lightning and one for USB-C. They have a standalone camera kit without any smartphone receivers, and the combo kit shown here for cameras and both smartphone receivers. The price of the combo kit is $180, which I feel like is pretty fair when you're looking at the prices of all the other wireless microphones. For the rest of the video, I'll be using the LARK M2s for the audio so you guys can hear how they sound. Okay, so the microphone is about 8 inches away from my mouth. I will have to turn the gain up a little bit in post, but I won't do anything to the EQ. In the box, you get 2 windscreens for the mics, a USB-C charging cable, a TRS cable, a magnetic clip, and a silicone necklace for the mics. You also get the charging case, 2 mics, the receiver, and the 2 smartphone receivers. Now you probably can already see the biggest flaw. If you buy the combo kit, you don't have anywhere to store the smartphone receivers. Now that's a pretty big issue for me because I lose everything, and I'm probably just going to lose those receivers. Now the whole design of the M2s is to be small and lightweight. Even the receiver is small and minimalistic. It's got no LCD screen to show the settings or modes, just these LED lights. That's not really an issue because these are very simple to operate. There's only 3 gain levels shown here with the 3 lights under the spinning dial. There's only one other setting, and that's the noise cancelling. To activate the noise cancelling, it's just one button and it turns the lights green once it's on. Hollyland does say the M2s could work up to 1,000 feet. Now I'm just going to take their word for it because I have no way of testing that. They record in 48 kHz and 28-bit format, which pretty much any wireless microphone nowadays can do that. One cool feature with the smartphone receivers is when plugged into your phone, you can take photos and start and stop recordings with the microphone by double-clicking. Which is cool if you were a solo creator and you had to do everything yourself. I'm glad more wireless microphone brands are moving towards more magnetic mounting options for your clothes. It's just way easier and faster. The closest mic I have to compare to the M2s in price are these GVM LM2s at $139. So now you're listening to the GVM LM2s, and I'm going to leave it up to you which one you guys like better, the GVM at $139 or the Hollyland M2s at $179. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos.